This is the ASSA Max Plus restricted cylinder. We'll be picking it today with a Lock Tools tensioner in 1mm and a Peterson's Hook 7 in 15,000. This lock has barrel spools, which are tricky to set and require quite heavy tension and very tight tolerances. And that is picked. To gut this lock, we'll gut it first through the top. By relocking it and then removing the top plate. Each of the pin stacks can be dropped out quite easily, and we'll place on our pinning tray. This lock makes use of balanced pin stacks, which prevents a lot of attacks. Sometimes cutting through the top, the last few pins can be hard to get out. There's the top plate. There we go. Now we just need a Phillips screwdriver to remove the back plate. And the core slides out. Let me give you a close-up of the pins. So here you can see the famous barrel spools, and here we have the core. There is countermilling in the core, although it may not be too visible. In any case, thank you. Have a good day.